Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to Shatkin First Monday Morning Minutes. This week's tip is how to use our Sinus Lift Kit, the new Shatkin First Sinus Lift Kit. I've been working on this for a couple of years, and finally we have it to market. This is the Shatkin First Sinus Lift Kit. It's very simple to use. There's a link on here where you can watch the whole video, which will show you how to use it start to finish. The bottom line is, by doing a vertical sinus lift right in the same pilot hole that we make our pilot hole for the implant placement, you're going to be able to place implants that you weren't able to place before. Where you only have 6 to 8 millimeters of bone, you can place an 11 to 13 millimeter mini dental implant using the sinus lift kit. What does that mean for your patients? It means you're going to be able to replace molars that you didn't think you could replace before with mini dental implants. Look into the new Sinus Lift Kit, and we're offering a weekly special, $17.95 instead of $19.95, save $200. Log on to shatkinfirst.com or give our friendly office staff a call and they'll be happy to help you. Log on next week for another Monday Morning Minute with Dr. Todd Shatkin, yours truly, and have a great week.